What is up, people? Darren, Daily Driving Hoopties here. So, today we went out on the boat, Lake Havasu. It might rain. I don't know. It's looking kind of nasty back there. But here we are, Lake Havasu City, Arizona. Beautiful lake behind me. We're with Kay right now. She's in the boat cleaning. We took the Eliminator out today. There it is. Turning the camera this way now. But took the Eliminator out today, so we're going to do an episode of cleaning this beast. So yeah, we are going to do a time lapse, and I'll talk to you soon. Up, people? Darren here. It is hot. It's like 105 right now. We're here with my Bravo 1 outdrive. So we'll do a little tour of this thing. Might be one of the cleanest outdrives out there for its age. But yeah, let's get going. Just finishing cleaning up underneath here, and I'll just kind of show you what I do, what I clean, how I clean it, and how I keep this 23-year-old and 24-year-old boat looking pretty much like it's brand new. So let's get going here. All right, so here we are, Bravo 1. We got a, I believe it's 26 pitch prop. Yep, 26 pitch. I might be going to a 30. I have a couple props that we just picked up at a swap meet for like $30 for 5 of them. So if anyone needs a 28, I do have a 28 for sale. Just feel free to hit me up in comments or DMs. We can get that sent out to you. But anyways, here we are with the Bravo 1. This is one of the best drives MerCruiser actually ever made. Good to about 1,000 horsepower. I wouldn't put anything more than probably 9 through it, but this motor puts out about 850. So nothing too major, but these things are great. They're virtually bulletproof for what they are. Obviously, once you start getting into the higher dollar stuff, you want to start getting into the Imcos, and there's another high dollar brand. My buddy Brandon actually was the one that showed me them, and the guy was like an ex-space engineer guy, and he came up with these drives. So they're ridiculously expensive. This is not ridiculously expensive, but this is still expensive. I mean, it's still a boat, so you're going to be busting out another 1,000 every single time. But like I said, MerCruiser drive. This boat is a 1997. I don't know if anybody has ever dealt with boat stuff, but if you look at your VIN numbers here, yeah, EL. So EL tells you it's Eliminator. Usually first prefixes are manufacturer, and then the lasts are always going to be your year. And that's true on personal watercraft as well. So you can see this is a 1997. And here we are. Here's the drive. Like I said, extremely clean for a 1997. This boat has almost no hours on it. Here's where your bilge plugs go. This boat, being a pickle fork, has 3. So there's 1 in each sponson and then 1 in the main hull area. So yeah, we don't have any of the stabilizer stuff on this boat. Wish I did, but just didn't come with it. And not putting it on. Costs way too much money to drill holes into holes. Not happening. And I have another boat if I want to do things like that. So that's a jet boat that actually has a big block as well. Caesar's here cleaning.
Hello.
Say hi to everybody, Caesar.
Hello, everybody.
And then, so Caesar went out on the boat with us. So just one of those things, like I said, take this thing out for a couple hours, and you still got the 4 hours of cleaning that goes with it every single time. But yeah, I'm just gonna get back to it, and we'll check back in with you guys here shortly. What is up, everybody? Darren Daily Driving Hoopies here. Just wanted to say thank you for watching the episode. We're back in California now. We're back on the C3 Vet. We got some content coming this weekend on this. So we just want to say thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Do what you want to do. Do what you feel is right, and keep watching. And I'm going to keep the content coming. C3 Vet. This motor is going in that car this weekend. I promise.